What's up, guys? It's me here, back with another video, and today, is gonna be a cool one, or a good one, I guess. The project that I was talking about in the last video, it is actually finished. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So, basically, I'm gonna show you what it is, and then if you don't know, I'll tell you what it is at the end. Well, not at the end of the video, but like, when I finish giving you a tour. So you got here, you got like a little viewing area, you got like a little, I'm not trying to ruin it, but like, you got like a little area down there, you got a fire down there, you got a door that is locked, so that, oh crap. We just deal with this big guy for a minute. Yeah, there you go, as I was saying. If you haven't found out what this is yet, it's basically an arena for, my cannibals, I guess, fighting. I found out how to spawn them, and I found out how to trigger them. So in today's video, we are going to have 50 cannibals versus 50 fingers fight. Now my game may crash due to the fact that 50 and 50, which is 100, will be a lot, and might most likely make my game crash. So I'm gonna try 50 plus 50, and if that doesn't work, then I do not know. But let me just check something. Okay. Invisible. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Everything's good. I was just checking one of the mods because I don't think I forgot didn't have that activated, or I didn't. I had it activated. I just had to check, guys. Sorry. There's 50 cannibals. Oh, for me it was a little bit laggy. Oh, it's getting a little bit laggy though. Oh crap! Nope. Oh crap! They're going on each other. They're going on each other. They are going on each other. Holy Jesus! They are. I have to add one more inside then to make it even. I have to add one more inside. I have to. There you go. Now I have to add a bunch of fingers. Character finger. Oh, okay, there we go, there we go. In the action, in the action. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh crap, they're escaping, they're escaping. Oh crap, they're escaping. That's getting off my paycheck. Okay. wow. Oh shit. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, that is okay, wow. Okay. Just wow. Okay, enough fun time, enough fun time. Okay, I think we lost like 3, but it's fine. Oh crap, I can't even open the door, dude. I can't even open the door. I can't even open the damn door, bro. I have to skin every single one of these to open the door. Okay, that was just tremendous, honestly. Let's just start skinning them. Okay. You can just see the cannibals everywhere, all the cannibal bodies. Oh, there we go, okay. I'm gonna move this here. I still can't even open the door, dude. I'm gonna tell Kelvin to take a break. You do not have to see anything, Kelvin. I'm just having a little bit of fun with the boy, that's all. Crap, how am I gonna... I don't think I'm gonna be able to open this at this point. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm getting launched inside. I am inside. Up, free head. Up, there you go. Okay. Okay. I mean, when I go into the ball pit, be like... But anyways, yeah. Let me just dump all these bodies inside. A few escaped because they were all piling up at the door and like they just started like climbing up. So I have to fix that. They just started climbing up out of here all of a sudden. Like I didn't know. Like I thought they would just scatter around instead of all going for the door. I mean, like. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, and you just lost a leg. But yeah, pretty much. Pretty much, there's more limbs here than actual bodies. Like, I am not kidding. I have the no item limit, so I can just pick everything up. But dude, there are more like body parts here than actual bodies itself. Why are there so many rocks as well? Were they carrying rocks? What were they doing with the rocks? Dude, I have so many questions right now. Yeah, I have 5 legs and 1 raw head. Wait, how does that work? I don't know. I'm just gonna collect all the body parts, so... Oh, a few burn actually, I think. Yeah, a few burn. I'm not gonna count all the bodies, I'm just gonna, like... Wait, I'm just gonna call that a day, and now we're gonna have Fingers versus some Puffies, which is blind mutants, pretty sure. Oh, okay. Okay. That was unnecessary. Anyways, yeah. I don't know how my PC managed to handle that. I honestly don't know how my PC managed to handle that at all. Like, I think if anyone else tried doing that, like with the mods, their PC would probably crash after like 70 NT spawn. Calvin, get your stinky booty hole away now, or else I'm calling the doo-doo cops on you. Get away. Stay hidden and never come back. I'm just shocked. I thought the cannibals would just like start roaming around here. But no, they just all went to the door. I don't know. Get, bro, my. Dude, my guy thinks that nobody's gonna see him, bro. Oh my, bro. Get the f. Oh my, bro. Cannibals like a fire or something? I don't know. Build. Can you just build us something? Clear. Okay, there's nothing to clear. Take item. Follow me. Get. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna. You know, just stay hidden, bro. Damn, you don't gotta go inside here. Virginia, get your big booty ass out. Get your stinkity doody ass out right now. Or else I'm calling Mikado Bacado on you. But anyways, yeah, I did not expect this. I tested the arena beforehand in case they were able to escape or anything. But I will be upgrading this area. For now, this is just like probably like a prototype, I guess you could say. Like, I will update, well not update, like I will be adding things and removing things from the arena. But for now, this is just like a little prototype. I think my first intention, is probably make a second floor or a roof in case it rains, because, yeah. And I mean, I don't really need to make more space since I think this is enough space. I mean, maybe I could make more space, but I've already did like the arena walls and all that, and like the thing you know how you can like walk along here. I did that for that side as well, so I can't really. If I wanted to extend it a little bit longer, I'd have to redo all of that. Okay, and all the bodies just despawn. I just realized that they all despawned. Okay. But anyways, yeah, I guess Fingers won. Since they were the last ones standing and the cannibals went down, I guess. Dude, there are more skin pouches here than anything, honestly. But yeah. That was round 1. There's gonna be like 3 rounds probably. I forgot to speed run on. Dude, I am not kidding. That was a good fight, honestly. I thought that there was gonna be a few big cannibals, but anyways, yeah. Oh, the hell is that doing? Apart from this guy, what is? Alright, okay. What is that guy doing? What is? I remember spawning him, but I thought he's already gone by now. But anyways, yeah. Did you know this guy actually has health? He just doesn't even have like a killing animation or anything though. So, and the reason his hands like touching the invisible wall is because this is actually the scene. I'm pretty sure if you go into the Rebreather cave, there's like a scene where you can see him like walking like in a hallway and like repeats the animation over and over again. That's what he's doing right now. He's doing that animation. Yeah, pretty much like a bunch ran away. Like I think 3, 4, 5 ran away, which is not good at all. Because I guess that's not really fail because it's someone right. So I mean, it can look for them. Okay. I guess we can say any that have escaped is considered like. I guess lost, I guess. I mean, I'll just have to hunt them and kill them. Since I only found 2 though, so then I think they might be around the shore somewhere. They might be. Okay. I think only like 3, 4, 5 escaped. What do you want? You give me nothing! You give me nothing! What is that? There's nothing there! What are you trying to give me? Oh, there's one here. Wait, what? Wait, why is it? I don't remember putting two. I don't remember these two guys here. I think I moved the bodies, probably. Oh. Yeah, I think I probably got the guys and just moved the bodies there. But yeah, pretty much that was a good fight. I think this I'm gonna put 20v20 instead, not 50v50, since that was pretty laggy. I mean, even though I managed to get to the footage, it's pretty laggy. Like, it's not laggy like laggy enough for it to just crash the game. I mean, it's laggy as in like it goes like that, like pretty much. I'm trying to like simulate it like. Well, I can't move like that. It's just like the graphic, it will like get a little bit blurry and slower. Pretty much my FPS goes down, I guess, and it all works. Okay. Calvin, you get your stinky booty out of here. Okay. What are you doing here, Virginia? I did not tell you to go here or get in here. I mean, actually, that would be a good idea. Like 20 Virginias versus like 20 Puffs. So, if I find out how to spawn the two mini bosses, the man and the woman, I think that's Edward and Barbara Crofton. I don't know, but if I manage to spawn them in, then I'll probably have Virginia fight those two, or like 2, 3, 4 Virginias versus 4 of those, like 4v4 pretty much. Since those guys are pretty powerful, but the shotgun's also pretty powerful in Virginia, so. I'm gonna stay hidden. Well, he has to stay hidden because if I spawn these guys, they're gonna see him and. Okay, that's good enough. I'm not telling you anything. That's good enough. And you, Virginia, you get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Now. Wire. You know, wire, you couldn't even do anything with wire apart from make a bomb. Like, that's the only thing you can do with wire. Like, I wish you were able to make like a tripwire or something. Like in Minecraft, like you're able to make a tripwire. Oh, why am I saying a gate? Why am I relating this to Minecraft in a way? Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh, I think she like sells around the campfire. She's probably doing that right now. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Time for the next round. So we're gonna have 20 fingers versus 20 puffies. Okay, so we're gonna have 20 puffies versus 20 fingers. Character fingers 20. Now in this area, I'm gonna add there you go. Dude, they all huddle to the door though. Why do they all huddle to the door? What if I got an idea. What if I just... I don't think they see me, do they? Oh, okay, shit, okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. That was... I have to remove that door, I think. That's probably what's causing it. Oh, crap, dude. Oh, decapitation. Decapitation. Nope, 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 yes, yes, W, deep, deep. Now they're just fighting each other, I think. Yeah, they're just straight up fighting each other. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I think there's only like one puffy left. Oh, okay, he's dead. Well, these guys, what are these guys doing here? Are they burning or something? What are they doing? Oh, crap, okay. Nope, get back into the action, get back into the action. Oh! Oh, she did. Oh, crap. What are you... Oh, crap, dude. What in the world is happening? Oh, that's cool. Oh, okay. Dude, that's cool though, like his face is not deformed. Oh, that thing's dead. Okay. It's glitched, but it's dead. Makes no sense. But, oh crap. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. Oh, there you go, okay. It's dead, guys, it's dead. I think the fingers one. These guys are OP as hell, dude, I'm not kidding. They are OP as... I break its head off something? Let me just unlock it. Okay, unlock this. You, my lady, are stuck inside there. Yep. Oh, okay. Yeah, pretty much a bunch of cannibals intervened, so... Cannibals intervened with this. Dude, there's a... I don't know how this thing got started. I don't know how it got started. Actually, I just realized there was 2 different variants of the rope in this game, and they only kept one variant. No, I think they were gonna use the other one as like a rope to hang cannibals, maybe. As like another show of dominance or something. Maybe. But I need to get rid of that door ASAP. I need to add another way of entry. Because I'm not gonna remove and place logs repetitively, so... I have to find another way. Anyways, yeah, I have to find another way too. Because they're all hurtling against the door. So I think that the AI can recognize that there's a door there. And like that they just go up to it and try to go into it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to remove that door and add something else. And I haven't really thought of what I'm gonna add. Anyways, yeah, I have to clear a load of bodies up. So I'm probably gonna go find some other cannibal bodies and. Oh, why is this kind? Okay. Oh, I forgot I decapitated one of these guys. I decapitated like 3 puffies. Like, if you look here, oh yeah, I decapitated like 2, 3 puffies. I remember here. I went here. I went and then like 3 heads went here. That was really good though, honestly. Anyways, I should have a window here. Should I? Yeah, no. That's the end of the video because I am not willing to take care of these bodies. They'll just despawn on themselves. But yeah, that is the end of the video. That's the end of the fight. If you've enjoyed, subscribe, I suppose. Like or no, not subscribe. I meant comment, I guess, if you want, or do whatever. I mean, yeah, I'm not forcing you to subscribe. Just yeah, do whatever. But anyways, yeah. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and have a good day.